Welcome to the short Pilates workout using a magic circle. In today's class, we'll use the Pilates ring for inner thigh work and to build a deeper core connection for a stronger body. When you're ready to begin, join me on the mat. Your magic circle will be off to the side. We'll just do a quick awareness activity first and coming on to your back. So bending through your knees, natural curves with your spine, and your arms can be by your side here. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, rock your pelvis towards your belly button and you'll feel your lower spine heavier against the mat. And then inhale to return to neutral pelvis spine. And exhale, rocking through and return. So we're really going to work with isolated movement today. Be aware of when your pelvis is rocking, your low spine moving, and as you shift back to neutral. 2 more times. Now stay in neutral this next time and try to maintain that throughout the session. As you take the circle, place it just above your knees. So you'll reset, head and shoulders down, arms by your side. Inhale, prepare again. And exhale, press in on your circle. Deep breathing, slow press, and your inhale to resist opening. So it's exhale, finding press. Deep breath in. Now as you continue, think not only pressing in, but as if you can elevate the ring up towards the pelvis, towards your abdomen. So a little bit more connection with your center. This next time you press in, we're going to add on a little bit more. So I want you to breathe out a little longer. So slightly longer exhale, and towards that last end range, you pause with the press and then inhale, resist opening. And we'll repeat that. So longer exhale, pause with the press, and resist opening. This is where maybe you're starting to feel even more work with your inner thighs, the resistance from the ring here. A little maybe shaking going on, that's all okay. 2 more times. When the ring opens, take hold of it with your hands and heel toe your feet together. You'll most likely feel some residual work with the inner thighs here. Handle side of the ring goes down onto your legs and your hands press against the circle. As you exhale, press the circle into the thighs with your hands, but really engage your legs a little bit as well and return. So you're just feeling a nice press with arms against circle and legs as well, and return. And notice if that's helping you sense a little bit more connection in your center, a little bit more work in your abs, without the shoulders or neck overworking, or the back. This can be a lot more subtle than the last exercise, yet still so helpful. Just 2 more times. Very nice. Taking the legs inside of the circle, your feet will come down onto the mat once again, and the handles will be off the thighs. Feet down on to the mat, arms relax. Inhale, and as you exhale, press out on the circle, and inhale to release. So definitely more subtle than the inner thigh press, But see if you can just sense a little bit of work into strong outer legs. It's that deep exhale, the breath, helps you find a deeper connection to your center. And having that slightly longer exhale with a little pause and the press out. And return. We'll just do 2 more times like that. Press and pause to return. Press and pause. And return. So you'll keep just a very gentle press out, not max, a little bit more than just letting the ring rest on the thighs, however. Now press down into your feet and pull the mat towards you. And if it feels like you can't really do that, just walk the feet away from you a little bit. And again, press down into your feet and hug the mat in towards you. And then release. So exhale, press and hug. And then release. The entire time, just gently pressing out on the circle. So there's a lot going on here. And as you hug in on the mat, you're trying to keep your pelvis so still. So not letting it become heavier on the mat when the heels come in. Another time. Very nice. Taking the circle off of the thighs. Take it to the side once again, right back to where we began. And 3 times, exhale, rock the pelvis towards you. And return. Exhale, rock. To return. Bringing yourself up to a seated position. If you enjoyed this class and found deeper connections with the Magic Circle, make sure to save it as a favorite so that you can come back to it a few more times this week. And if you have a few extra minutes, this is one of the rare Pilates classes where I would recommend moving with all of these exercises right away. You've had a little bit of rest after the exercises, and repetition with these particular movements can be incredibly helpful. I hope you have an amazing day and see ya on the mat soon.